In this clip, we will be looking at how to arrange numbers in ascending and descending order. Ascending means arranging numbers from smallest to largest, and descending means arranging numbers from largest to smallest. We have an example here. It says, put the following numbers in ascending order. These numbers have the same number of digits, so we need to compare each digit starting from the left. If we compare the millions first, we have 3 million, 3 million, and 2 million. 2 million is smaller than 3 million, so the smallest number is 2,365,487. The remaining two numbers have the same millions digit, so we can move on to the hundred thousands. The hundred thousands is also the same, so we can move on to the 10,000s. We've got 50,000 and 80,000. 50,000 is smaller than 80,000, so the next smallest number is 3,452,630. And we're left with the largest number out of the three, which is 3,480,250. In this next example, we're asked to put the following numbers in descending order. Descending means from largest to smallest. The first thing we need to do is compare the number of digits. All these numbers have the same number of digits. So we can start by comparing each digit starting from the left. We've got 9 million, 9 million, and 9 million. So the millions digit is the same, so we can move on to the hundred thousands digit. We've got 300,000, 200,000, and 900,000. 900,000 is greater than 300,000 and 200,000. So the largest number out of the three is 9,999,820. 300,000 is greater than 200,000. So the next largest number is 9,325,632, leaving us with the smallest number, which is 9,253,765. For you to try, press pause and have a go at them, and when you're ready for the answers, press play. Question 1 says arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending means arranging the numbers from largest to smallest. All these numbers have the same number of digits, so we need to start comparing each digit starting from the left. We've got the same millions digit, so we can move on to the hundred thousands. We've got 500,000, 500,000, 200,000, and 200,000. 500,000 is greater than 200,000, so the largest number will be out of these two. The hundred thousands digit is the same, so we can move on to the 10,000s. We've got 60,000 and 80,000. 80,000 is greater than 60,000, so the largest number is 3,585,266. The next largest number is 3,566,789. We have two numbers remaining. Both these numbers have the same millions, the same hundred thousands digit, the same 10,000s, the same thousands. So we can look at the next digit, which is the hundreds. We've got 400 and 300. 400 is greater than 300. So the next largest number is 3,286,428, leaving us with the smallest number, which is 3,286,322. Question 2 says arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending means arranging the numbers from smallest to largest. First, we need to compare the number of digits. This number has fewer digits than the rest. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. So this number is the smallest, 987,654. These three numbers have the same number of digits, so we can compare each digit starting from the left. We have 3 million, 1 million, and 5 million. 1 million is smaller than 3 million and 5 million, so the next smallest number is 1,234,567. 3 million is smaller than 5 million, so the next smallest number is 3,456,789, leaving us with the largest number, which is 5,678,901. Here are some practice questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go at them, and when you're ready for the answers, press play. The first question says, write these numbers in order from smallest to largest. All these numbers have a decimal point. We can write the numbers so that the decimal points are aligned. We have 22.5, 225.3, 2.35, 2.4, and 2.36. Now that all the decimal points are aligned, we can start by comparing the whole number parts first. We have 22, 225, 2, 2, and 2. 2 is smaller than 22 and 225. These three numbers have the same whole number parts, so we can compare the digit after the decimal point. We have 3, 4, and 3. 3 is smaller than 4, so the smallest number will be this number or this number. These two numbers are the same, so we can have a look at the next digit. We have 5 and 6. 5 is smaller than 6, so the smallest number is 2.35. The next smallest number is 2.36. The next smallest is 2.4. The next smallest is 22.5. And the largest number is 225.3. The next question says, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to largest. All these numbers have the same number of digits, so we can start from the left and compare each digit. We have 9 million, 3 million, 2 million, 2 million, and 3 million. 2 million is smaller than 3 million and 9 million. So the smallest number will be out of these two numbers. If we compare these two numbers, we've got the same millions digit, so we can move on to the hundred thousands. We've got 500,000 and 200,000. 200,000 is smaller than 500,000, so the smallest number is 2,234,567. The next smallest number is 2,567,890. 3 million is smaller than 9 million. So we've got two numbers with the same millions digit. So we can move on to the next digit, which is the hundred thousands. We have 300,000 and 300,000. So we can move on to the next digit, which is the 10,000s. We've got 40,000 and 50,000. 40,000 is smaller than 50,000. So the next smallest number is 3,345,678. The next smallest number is 3,356,789, leaving us with the largest number, which is 9,876,543. The next question says, write these in order, starting with the largest. First, we need to compare the number of digits. We have 2 digits, 4 digits, 4 digits, and 3 digits. These two numbers have more digits, so the largest number will be out of these two. Both of these numbers have the same number of digits, so we can start by comparing each digit, starting from the left. We have 1,000 and 6,000. 6,000 is greater than 1,000, so the largest number is 6,459. The next largest is 1,598. The next largest will be 265 because it has more digits than 35. And the smallest number is 35.